Welcome to how to backup WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. So let's jump into it. So first you want to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp. Once you have opened up WhatsApp, you then need to go to the settings. So by default, you will be on your chats. Go to the bottom right and then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and you should then see chats. So go ahead and click on chats. And then you will have some options right now. If you want to move your chats to Android, you just go ahead and follow the instructions at the bottom here where it says move chats to Android. If you just want to export to your Google Drive, go ahead and click on export chat. Once you have clicked on export chat, it will open this window and show you your frequently contacted people and then your recent chats. Now you're going to have to import or export your chats one by one. So I'm going to click on the top one here. It's going to give me the option that if I want to export the chat with the media or without the media. Now if you have got a long chat history and you've got a lot of media, exporting with media is going to take longer to obviously export. I'm going to choose here without media. That's then going to load up this window and you can see WhatsApp chat, and in this case I'm just exporting the chat. So what you want to do now is scroll through these apps and you should then see Google Drive. So go ahead and then click on Google Drive. Then you can see you're uploading to your Google Drive account. At the bottom here, you can see the email you're uploading to and the folder and where it's going. I'm going to click upload on this. That's then uploaded that chat to Google Drive. Now here I am in Google Drive and you can see I've got the WhatsApp chat uploaded here at the top. So that's how you essentially back up WhatsApp on your iPhone to Google Drive. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, doubt or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below.